Today's adventure takes us to the Middleham Falls. The Middleham Falls is located within the Rosal Valley, so it's only about a 30-minute drive, it's not too far. Now, what can you expect from the Middleham Falls? Rain. Every time I go there, it rains. It pours, and it's a second bath on the way and a third bath on the way back, so just expect to get wet. And then you can also bathe under the falls once you get there. Middleham Falls is a 45-minute hike, so it's not too hard. I would say it's easily accessible to beginners and anyone else. Once you're in shape, you can get this done in like 30 minutes. Upon arriving at the Middleham Falls, one of the first things you will notice is the amount of construction. There seems to be a development of some kind of an eco-resort / spa. The spa seems to be making an extra effort to preserve the natural beauty of the area, so let's hope they do a good job. Let us go to the Middleham Falls. Took us about anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour to arrive at the falls, but we did this like half an hour and we stopped to take shots and everything. It's a lot faster when you're just going at a steady pace. So, if you enjoyed the adventure to Middleham Falls, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel so that we can continue to experience Dominica and the Greater Caribbean.